boughs of holly. La 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 la.
Hi everyone, this is Emma. Today I'm going to give you a demonstration on how to make this snowflake or star. So let's get started. I'm working with one full sheet of printer paper. If you wanted to, you could make 4 snowflakes with one sheet of printer paper by first dividing it into 4 and using one of each of these as each snowflake. So the first thing you're going to do is fold your paper in half. And now you're going to fold it in half again, like that. And then you're going to fold it diagonally. So just keep the point there, fold it over like this. Okay, you folded it in half, folded it in half, folded it in half again. Okay, so now we want this side and this side to be the same length. So I'm just going to fold it over so that I can see where that little piece of paper is. And I'm just going to cut away the extra. And there's what it looks like. And now I'm just going to cut into a V. So I'm just going to go down, and I can use that little section there where the fold was as a mark. And now I'm going to cut down again like this and remove that. So now you have what looks like the tip of an arrow. Okay, so now you can just cut the tip on an angle, and then on all 4 of these sides you're just going to cut notches or triangle shapes. So I'm just going to start here and I'm going to follow along that same line like that. I'm going to do this side same way. And then I'm also going to do some on these 2 lines. Okay, now I can open it up. And there you have your snowflake. Thanks for watching.